it comes to tub grinders, HayBuster stands alone as a manufacturing leader with industry experience and knowledge of over 50 years. HayBuster has added a new model to the impressive lineup of PTO tub grinders, the H-1030 Big Bite. The new HayBuster H-1030s are packed with performance and design features your grinding jobs demand. For example, the heavy 44-inch hammer mill is what's demanded in the workhorse grinder, the H-1030. This hammer mill is located in the rear of the tub to reduce the length of travel the belly discharge requires. Dual augers are able to move the product out efficiently, preventing any plugging. We've always provided an electronic self-governing feed monitoring system. The H-1030 governing system is the latest state-of-the-art design to keep the hammer mill constantly under load, while the tub feeds the mill to produce the best possible throughput. It protects the grinder and the tractor. With this new control box, you can now keep track of total machine grinding hours and specific job hours. This new tub grinder model's tub opens to a full 90 degrees for unrestricted access to the hammer mill and drivetrain. This provides safer, easier maintenance and accessibility to bearings and the screen area. Changing screens and mill bar grates is easy and safe. We've redesigned the hammer mill's belt drive system with heavier belts to manage rotor speed and provide higher horsepower capacity. The H-1030s are designed to meet a wide range of needs and demands, a perfect addition to the already superb line of HayBuster tub grinders. We listen to our customers, and we deliver. For specifications or more information on the all-new HayBuster H-1030 PTO tub grinders, contact us at 701-252-4601 or visit us on the web at HayBuster.com. HayBuster, features, durability, and dependability you know and trust.